Hello, hello. Welcome to this tutorial about Frame. We are going to dive into text chat translation. So this is a feature that you can use if you're logged in. Of course, it is free to make an account. So I encourage you to do so. But if you are logged in, then you have a drop down here in the sidebar with the button at the top right for chat settings. And this is one place that you can do this. The other place is actually in the text chat menu itself, where you'll have a little globe icon underneath the text chat input. For now, I'm just going to adjust this though from the sidebar in this chat settings dropdown, and you can pick the text chat translation language. So I'm going to pick Chinese simplified, and now you'll see that when text chats come in, they will be translated into the language that you chose. And then if you hover over the message, you'll be able to see the original in that blue box there. Now, one thing that's important to keep in mind is that this is a local setting. In other words, when you choose to translate your text chat into Chinese, that will just translate it for you. Other people could choose other languages to translate the text chat into. Someone else who is Italian on their side could pick Italian, and while you're getting the messages in Chinese, they will be getting the messages in Italian. Now, I mentioned this in the speech-to-text video, which I encourage you to check out, but you can imagine that if someone has speech-to-text on, which will automatically send their speech to the text chat, then you could have that translated so that someone talking in Frame, you could always just get a translation of what they're saying in the text chat. It's a really powerful combination there. Okay, as I said though, you can also adjust this from the text chat window. Just open the text chat, you'll see a globe, and if you click it, you'll get this drop down. And this setting is saved. So if you pick French and then you refresh the frame and you're logged into your account, then that will be the selection as soon as you're signed in. Okay, there you have it. That is text chat translation. Good luck.